this website which you are seeing on the screen, which is made by the totally AI. Yeah guys, really using an powerful AI tool, I made an fantastic website. Here you can see on the screen, whose name is Grok 3 AI. Yeah guys, really using an Grok 3 AI I made and types of the websites, and the Grok 3 AI is made by the Elon Musk. Yeah guys, so in this video we are going to see that how to use the Grok 3 AI and where you can find the Grok 3 AI and what about the paid or the free, everything we are going to talk in this video. So if you are new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see about the Grok 3 AI. So hey guys, welcome back to my new video. So today in this video we are going to explore an Grok 3 AI tool. So basically it is an AI tool like the ChatGPT, DeepSeek AI and the Gemini AI. Okay, here you can see that it is an powerful AI tool guys. Really it is an intelligent AI tool in which there is a feature of the DeepSeek and the deep think also guys. So basically it is an AI tool in which you can just give a prompt, and yes, and you can simply generate the images as well as the text as well as the code. Okay, so let's see about the task. Okay, so before couple of minutes I given a task as make a game using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so I have told that give a code that make a random game using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and just it has given the code, and just I have put out that into the VS Code, and here you can see, just click on the go live, and here you can see the start game, and just we have to hit to the star, and just you can find the score above on the box. Here you can see the score is 9, and just hit on the stop button if you want to stop, and just hit on the start button if you want to start the game. Okay, so guys, let's create the image using the Grok 3. Okay, make image of Elon Musk in air. So let's see that how it will generate the image guys. Oh my god guys, the output is really awesome guys. Really, here you can see that it is an realistic type image as made by the Grok 3 AI guys. So in this video we have shown that where you can get the website and how to generate the images and how to generate the code, and here you can try out the Grok 3 AI tool guys. It is an fantastic AI tool by Elon Musk company, and just here you can try it. So if you are new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video guys.